Things got very real for Donald Trump this week when Judge Eileen Cannon, the Trump-appointed judge who, of course, is overseeing the documents case, on Tuesday, she came out and she said that we are going to trial on August 14th. 54 days away from right now. 54 days. That's all you got. And we're going to trial in a 2-week trial. So that's pretty dang quick, by the way. And that's that. Now, in her order, of course, she did lay out different scenarios under which, this could be delayed, and it will be delayed. Like, this is not going to start on August 14th. But she did say, if they question this, if somebody challenges this, if they do this, then yeah, obviously we're going to be delayed. But she put out some interesting notes in that memo. Like in her setting the date, she not only set the date, but the order goes on to list areas of dispute that could result in delays, but the fact that the starting gun is being fired in a matter of 6 weeks is significant. And Cannon's order contains details that bring the trial to vivid life, including references to a verdict form and even sentencing. So she's already laid out the forms for the verdict. She got the forms ready for the sentencing. I mean, I know that's standard procedure, but that's when things get real in Trump's mind. Like, here is the document that your lawyers have to sign about a potential jail sentence for you. That's big. I mean, that is when, a normal person would open their eyes and be like, oh my God, I mean, we're here, we're there. This is terrible. Not Trump. Trump's too busy freaking out about Hunter Biden's, sentencing. But this just got real. And again, Trump's lawyers, his former lawyer, Tim Parlatore, had already laid out in an interview last week where he said, yeah, Trump's lawyers could actually delay this for months, maybe even a couple years, if they challenge every single thing through discovery, if they challenge this, if they challenge that. They're going to challenge them all the way to the Supreme Court, and during that, the trial is going to be postponed. Then the next order, they challenge it all the way back up. I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, Cannon has now put this as part of the South Florida rocket docket, which means she is going to make sure this thing happens quickly. And you may think, oh God, Trump's lawyers only have, a month and a half to get ready for this. It's not Trump's lawyers that should be scared of the super quick timeline, because all they have to do is be like, nope, none of this is true. None of this is real. Our guy's totally innocent. It's the prosecution, right? The government that is actually more concerned about the very quick timeline, because they have to put all the pieces together in a way to present it to the jury. If you were to go out there and tell any defense lawyer, in 2 weeks, you got to go defend this, they'd be like, got it. You tell a plaintiff's lawyer that, hey, you got 2 weeks before you have to take this to trial, they're going to start to panic because they're the ones that have to lay it out. They have to present it beyond a reasonable doubt. The defense doesn't have to do that. So this is actually more of a burden on the prosecution, I think, than it is on Trump's lawyers, which may, of course, be why Cannon decided to do that. She didn't have to. Typically, it takes a year or two before cases like this make it to trial. Or maybe we can attribute this to Judge Cannon's complete lack of experience. According to the New York Times, Judge Cannon has spent a grand total of 14 days overseeing criminal trials since getting on the bench. 14 days of criminal trials, and she's only had 4 of them. That's it. 4. She is about to be overseeing the most significant criminal trial in the history of the United States, almost. I mean, there's arguably, it is the most important. We've never tried a former president for criminal activity. She's only done 4 of them over the span of 14 days combined. So, yikes, right? Maybe this is an instance where the court system should have been like, hey, hold up. Sorry, I know you got assigned to this, but maybe let's put somebody who knows what they're doing on the case. Either way, it is what it is. August 14th is the date, and we'll let you know each and every time it gets pushed back because Trump's lawyers want to appeal every single pretrial decision. Ring of Fire has fresh content 7 days a week, so if you want to be reminded about it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell to be notified every time a new video goes up.